they'll really like your jaw or head. I got you. There we go. Just really light, and notice I had the upper door, so I went like this, but as soon as I moved down around T3, I just went flat-handed in there.
Take a deep breath all the way in and release it out. That probably would be a good thing, because sometimes you guys, when they give a little too much, start losing your balance. With every medication you take, there is a side effect with it. I'm not saying not take it, but sometimes you trade off one symptom for another.
And I'm good at finding the side effects.
Yeah.